Hi friends, welcome to Cloud Rabbit. Today's session we are going to install the Minikube on the Ubuntu Linux. Minikube installation. So Minikube can be installed locally also, so in the virtual machine also. So how to going to install the Minikube in the EC2? Here for installation of the Minikube, at least minimum we have instance will have 2 GB RAM. At least we have 2 GB RAM. So I am going to launch instance here. Select a launch instance here. Here, give the name, any name you can give. I am giving the name here Minikube. Select Amazon Linux, sorry Ubuntu Linux. Then instance type we need to select at least 2 GB RAM. 2 GB RAM. Here I am selecting the T2 medium. You can select T2 small also. Here I am creating a key pair. Giving the key pair name as Minikube. Create a key pair. And in the network settings, edit here. In the network settings, I will just select all traffic. Select all traffic. And here storage should be at least 20 GB. I have given the 20 GB. Launch instance. Wait for some time. Once the instance is launched, here, wait for some time. Like have Minikube is like a have a single cluster, doesn't have a nodes. Okay, so here Minikube this instance is running. Then we are going to connect this instance. I am going to connect to the instance. Here, click on connect. Select the instance, click on connect, select this command, SSH command, go to the key pair where you have stored. I stored the key pair in the download folder. Click on open git bash here, paste here, then enter, then press this. Then the list of commands are there. All these commands will be given in the description. First thing, we need to update the system packages. We need to update the system packages by typing sudo apt-get update system package. So now system packages are updated. Then we need to install the Docker. It is mandatory to install the Docker for Minikube. For installation of the Docker, sudo apt-get install docker io.io. Now we are installing the Docker. Now we are installing the Docker. How will check the Docker installation? Docker -f version. The Docker is installed. Here we are going to install the Minikube. We are going to install the Minikube. Just paste this command, enter. And next command is copy the command to the user local folder. Just copy here, again here, paste. And the next command is we need to change the permissions for this folder. chmod 755, you should change the permission for the folder. Change the permission for the folder. So I change the permissions here. Then check the Minikube version. Check the Minikube version. Paste here. So Minikube is installed. Then we need to install the kubectl or kubectl. Okay. To access the Minikube, we need to install the kubectl. This is the command to install the kubectl. Just copy and paste. Enter. And kubectl is installed. Okay, and give the full permission for the kubectl. chmod +x dot kubectl, give the full permission. Then move this kubectl to the user local bin kubectl, this folder. Just paste. Then here to start the Minikube, here we will check the kubectl version. We check the kubectl version. How will we check the kubectl version? Just type here kubectl version. Here see this. So now kubectl is installed. Kubectl is installed. Then give this, add the user for the dog. Adding this user for the group. For the Docker group, we are adding this user. Yes, I just missed it. Sudo. Then Minikube start. Wait. Next time, so download the Kubernetes into Minikube. See here, this contains that at least 2 GB RAM. Install the Minikube. Then here Minikube status. Here Minikube is running. Then kubectl cluster information. Paste here. So now Kubernetes control plane is running. Then here type kubectl get nodes. So now one of the node is ready. Then how to create the pod? To create the pod is nothing but a container wrapped. Like a chocolate is wrapped with a cover, like pod is also like a container. When the container is wrapped with a, then it will become the pod. The basic atomic unit of the Kubernetes is the pod. There, just go to the Google. We are going to create a one pod. I just go to the Kubernetes pod. There is a pod. How to create a pod? It is the smallest deployable unit. What is the pod? Pods are the smallest deployable units of the computing that can create and manage Kubernetes. Pods are the smallest deployable units of computing that can create and manage the Kubernetes. Okay, here to create a pod, so this thing is there. I just copy this one, and I create one file called sudo pi YAML file to create a pod. The pod name I give here pod.yam. Enter, press escape, press enter, insert I, then paste this one. Okay, paste the YAML code. This is the API version, and we are creating the pod. Which pod we are creating? Nginx pod, and this is version of the pod. Which port? Okay, escape, colon, W. Okay, then to run the pod, here, this is the command. Kubectl apply and pod name. What is the pod name here? Pod dot. It is in the YAML. Enter. So how will you check the pods here? Kubectl get pods. Okay, now pod is running. Which pod is running? Nginx pod is running. Hope you enjoyed the video. And so try to do practice, watching two to three times. And this is the easiest way to practice the Kubernetes. Okay, so please support me and please subscribe me.